Welcome students. In this video, we will do question 1 of exercise 7.3. So let's see the questions. Question 1 is triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Here we see in figure BC is the same base, two isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, two sides are equal. AB is equals to AC. In triangle ABC, it is an isosceles triangle. And second isosceles triangle is DBC. DBC. So here two sides are also equal. DB is equals to BC. And vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. The vertices A and D lies on the same side of the BC. BC के एक साइड में लाई कर रहा है. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, AD को एक्सटेंड किया गया है, BC को वो P पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. AD को आगे एक्सटेंड किया गया है, बढ़ाया गया है ताकि वो BC जो है उस पर पॉइंट P पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, मिल रहा है, उसको काट रहा है. Show that. Here we have to show 4 parts. First is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. In the diagram, triangle ABD is this triangle and triangle ACD this triangle. We have to show these two triangles congruent. So see in the figure, AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to CD and third side AD is common between both the triangles. So by triple S, ये भी साइड है, ये भी साइड है और AD भी साइड है. तो by triple S congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So here we write first step given from triangle ABC and DBC up to the extended intersect BC at P. We have to show that to prove these 4 parts. Okay. Now start proof. So in first part we have to show these two triangles congruent. So write in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. इन दो ट्राइंगल्स में फर्स्ट हियर AB equal AC given in the question because ABC is an isosceles triangle. Also BD equal DC. It is also given in the question because DBC is an also isosceles triangle. And third one is AD equal AD common. So by triple S congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, we have proved first part. Now see second part, in which we have to prove ABP, that is triangle ABP. This whole triangle is congruent to triangle ACP, this triangle. So here we have only one part, AB equal AC, and also other second part AP is common between these two triangles. We have only two sides between these two triangles. So from first, here triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. We take by CPCT angle 1 and angle 2. These two triangles angles are equal in by CPCT. So from here we take angle 1 equals angle 2 by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruence triangle. So Let's start second part. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. In these two triangles, first one AB equal AC given. Second AP is common, so AP equal AP. This side is common between these two triangles. And third, we take by CPCT from first part, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. If we take as equation first, so here angle 1 is equals to angle 2 from first. So by here this is side S, then angle A, then side. So angle 1 and angle 2 are the including angle of the side. So by SAS, congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Now we have proved also second part. In third part, here we have to prove AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. From here, if we see in first part, that is angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means angle 1 और angle 2 equal है. It means AP angle A को bisect कर रही है, टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है. तो हमने एक पार्ट इसको प्रूफ कर लिया है यहाँ पर एंगल 1 इक्वल्स एंगल 2 करने के बाद. अब हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि एंगल डी को भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. तो AP जो है एंगल डी को बाइसेक्ट करने का मतलब हमें इस दोनों एंगल को इक्वल करना है, 3 और 4 को इक्वल करना है. तो अब हम दो ट्राइंगल्स को फिर से कॉन्ग्रुएंट करेंगे ताकि बाय CPCT हम एंगल 3 इक्वल एंगल 4 फाइंड कर लें. तो हम ट्राइंगल लेंगे DBP एंड DCP. अब इन दो ट्राइंगल्स को हम कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो करेंगे. So while proving third part, first we have to show triangle DBP is congruent to triangle DCP. Let's start. In triangle DBP and triangle DCP. Here DP is equals to DC. It is given. DB is equals to DC given because DBC is an isosceles triangle. So DB is equals to DC. And second one, DP is common between these two triangles. So DP is equals to DP. Common sides. And here we have no third part. So from second, here we have proved triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. जब हमने यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल ABP को और ACP को कॉन्ग्रुएंट किया है तो यहाँ हम CPCT से BP और PC को इक्वल कर लेंगे. तो फ्रॉम हियर BP इक्वल PC by CPCT. If we take as second equation, so we use here to prove these two triangles congruent. So third one is BP is equals to PC from second. So if we see in these two triangles, DB and DC is side, DP is common side, and BP is equals to PC is also side. So by triple S rule, these two triangles are also congruent. By triple S congruence rule, triangle DBP is congruent to triangle DCP. CP. If these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. This implies that angle 3 is equals to angle 4 by CPCT. If we take as equation 3, so from first and third, we see that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means AP bisect angle A. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. It means DP or AP bisect angle D also. So, from first and third, we have AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. So we have also proved third part. Now come to fourth part. Here we have to prove AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AP इस BC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है. परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स ये एंगल हमें 90 प्रूफ करना है, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर हो गया. और बाइसेक्टर मीन्स AP डिवाइड्स BC इन 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. तो ये हमने BP इक्वल PC ऑलरेडी प्रूफ कर लिया हियर, सॉरी, इन सेकेंड पार्ट. तो ये बाइसेक्टर हो गया. AP इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC, ये हमने प्रूफ कर लिया है. बस हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि ये जो एंगल है ये परपेंडिकुलर है. इट मीन्स 90 डिग्री के एंगल्स होंगे. तो इन थर्ड पार्ट हियर वी हैव प्रूव DBP is congruent to DCP. From here we take 3 and 4 by CPCT, and also here we take angle 5 and angle 6 are also equal by CPCT. So here we write angle 5 is equals to angle 6 by CPCT. If we take as equation 4. Okay. To see BC is a line segment, and angle 5 and angle 6 are adjacent angle. Hence they form linear pair. So in fourth we start writing 5 plus 6 is equals to 180. Reason लिखेंगे, form a linear pair. Angle 5 and angle 6 linear pair form कर रहे हैं और they are adjacent, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So angle 5 and angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. If we put or exchange the value, angle 5 is equals to angle 6. So in place of angle 5 we put angle 6. Angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. We mention here from 4. From equation 4. Angle 5 is equals to angle 6. So angle 5 is replaced by angle 6. So here angle 6 plus angle 6 is 2 times angle 6. Angle 6 is equals to 180 upon 2. That is of 90 degree. That means angle 6 जो है ये 90 डिग्री हो गया. इसका मतलब हो गया कि AP जो है वो BC पर परपेंडिकुलर है. If we take as equation 5, so from second, here BP is equals to PC, second and fifth, we have AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So we have complete the solution of this question. Okay, thanks for watching.